This presentation will introduce you to the City of Centennial's Arapahoe Road over Big Dry Creek Bridge Replacement Project. We will refer to this as the project. During this presentation, you will learn more about the project purpose, need, goals, and preliminary designs. This presentation will last approximately 7 minutes. The City of Centennial is working with a consultant team to finalize the design of the replacement bridge over Big Dry Creek. The design will also include the needed roadway, drainage, and trail improvements. This well-used bridge was built in 1945 and is located on Arapahoe Road, just east of University and west of South Elizabeth Street, and serves as a main east-west corridor to and from I-25 for the surrounding neighborhoods and businesses. The multi-use trail underneath the bridge provides access along Big Dry Creek to existing parks and other trails. This 74-year-old bridge is well past its prime and is starting to show signs of wear. As the bridge continues to age, maintenance costs will rise. Currently, the bridge deck, or the riding surface of the deck, has cracking and patched potholes, while the underside of the bridge deck is experiencing concrete spalling on the widened areas. The supporting steel beams are starting to show wear with the rusting of the steel. Although the bridge was widened on both sides from its original design, it is still only 79 feet wide from outside to outside of each railing. Arapahoe Road is wider than this and is required to narrow down as it approaches the bridge from both directions. As a result of the road narrowing, there are also inadequate pedestrian facilities on the bridge. This includes a sidewalk that no longer meets current needs and a set of stairs that serves as the only connection to the Big Dry Creek Trail. The proposed new bridge will be 107 feet wide, and the design will be able to accommodate two 6.5 feet wide sidewalks, 2 through lanes in each direction, and a center turn lane. Currently, there is an existing raised median. The raised median will be shortened to allow for earlier access to the dual left-hand turn lanes for cars traveling westbound and turning south on a University Boulevard. The existing connection to the Big Dry Creek Trail at the bridge are stairs on the north side. When construction is complete, the stairs will be replaced, and the project includes a new ADA-compliant trail connection on the south side of Arapahoe Road. Pedestrians will have access to the trail on both sides of Arapahoe Road. This rendering shows the multiple components of the preliminary design, including the lengthened left-hand turn lane, widened sidewalks, and the new trail connection to the Big Dry Creek Trail. Also note that Arapahoe Road no longer narrows as it approaches the bridge. The preliminary design phase is complete and the final design is in progress. The project will be advertised for construction in early 2021. Construction is expected to be completed in the spring, early summer of 2022. The proposed bridge will be phased construction. During construction, 2 lanes each way will be provided to traffic on Arapahoe Road. Information during construction will be provided to the traveling public when they can expect possible night closures and delays. The trail under the bridge will need to be closed and pedestrians will be detoured. The detour will be well marked. The project team would like your input about this project. Please take a moment to complete a project comment card and tell us your thoughts. A PDF of this presentation can be found on the project website noted on this slide if you would like to review any of the information presented. The comment form will be available until noon on September 28, 2020. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation and learn more about the Arapahoe Road over Big Dry Creek project.